Do you like my look? Do you like this top knot bun? Do you? Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence. If you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here. And if you're not, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe and put on the notification bell so you never miss a video again. Yep. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it, and the only things I need is my brush, a couple of bobby pins, actually a lot of bobby pins, and that's it. Oh, and a band. There's a band somewhere here. Yeah, so that's all I needed for this style, and that's all we're going to be using. So if you want to watch this, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. What my brother looks like right now. It's horrible, I know. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is to spray a little bit of water and revive my hair a little bit before I start the tutorial. Yeah, in this spray bottle I have just water in it, so that's what I am going to spray. It's locked. Yep. So just let's make the pocket top knot. Get in the bun position and just make it top knot. The pocket top knot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with this. I'm just going to use this, and I know that with this it's a little bit tight. I don't have to go twice. It's new, so it's still very firm. So that is my top knot. If it's too firm for you, you bring out a little bit of hair. This is a puff, guys. This is a style. Okay, so now that we have it in a top bun, all we have to do is we're going to need a lot of bobby pins, guys. A lot of bobby pins. So I'm just going to bring them out first. So what we're going to do is take this one by one and just like basically wrap it round. But make sure it's like this, like it's not like this, it's like this. So wrap it around your hair. Wrap it around. Make it as tight as you can. And then you bobby pin it in place. bobby pin it. So you take another one. Make sure it's stretched. And you go again. Just wrap it. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Bobby pin it. And that's how you keep going, guys. Take another one. Make sure you're going up. Make sure you're wrapping it up as you go. Up, 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 up to the top. Take the pin. And pin it down. Pin it. Pin it, pin it. Okay, so you take another one and wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Wrap it, wrap it. Pin it. The longer your hair, the higher it would go and the more pins you're going to need. So you just keep going. If you like this, you can leave it like this, but we're going for the toppest knot possible. Still. Guys, make sure you've eaten before you do this. If you're okay with the length, you can just do it like this, but let's go, ma. Let's go, ma, 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 ma. If you're okay with what you have, take this. Like this, you can even still prop it up a bit, like this. Just turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it a bit. So the nice finishing. Okay, so guys, see our pyramid of whatever. Okay, so you can just make it into whatever shape that you want. So if there's anyone coming out, you just have to take a pin and pin it down. And then pin it down. Pin it, pin it, pin it, pin it. Pin it, pin it, pin it, pin it. Guys, so this is how you make your top knot bun. Look at me. Just look at me. Look at me. Okay guys, so if you want a more sleek look, I know you can use your gel before you even do this to sleek it down before you start wrapping. So, but because I'm doing this for you guys and I don't actually have an event I'm going for, I'm just not going to use the gel. but if you have an event you're going for and you want to rock this, all you have to do is put your gel, lay it down, and you're good to go. If you're an edges girl, you lay your edges. You lay your edges. You know how we do, y'all. Lay your edges and you're good to go. And for this look, for this top knot look, you wouldn't be wearing this kind of earrings. You'd be wearing big earrings or dangling ones to make the look a bit more fire. I rocked this top knot bun to one of my dinners a few years ago and it was fire. I was channeling the Lupita Nyong'o energy. Okay guys, so this is how you achieve your top knot bun. If you don't want it to be a pyramid, just maintain the same size. So make sure this part is really tight when you're pulling it and wrapping it. So make sure it's really tight or less of the size because it kind of tapers as you go. So make sure this is really tight and it will maintain the same size up. If you want it more to your crown, then when you're tying your hair, make sure you bring it up here. And that's it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do try a top knot bun, let me know. Tag me please. And Nikki Flo or and Lauren Stikes. I would see any one of them. Tag me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This look was inspired by Naturally Tammy. Yep, Naturally Tammy. This look was inspired by her, and she knows how to rock her styles, guys. So if you have all those metallic things that they wrap around hair, so you can just like wrap it around that and it will give you this queen look. And if you have anything around here, your jewelry to put here, that also goes. So guys, thank you for watching so far. Thank you. Thanks guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this look, if you're going to rock it anytime soon. And if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Please encourage me. Share this video with everybody you know. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.